Purifying your mind and managing intrusive or unwanted thoughts can be a challenging but important aspect of personal development and mental well-being. Here are some strategies to help you manage and cleanse your mind from negative or dirty thoughts. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Engaging in mindfulness. Meditation can help you become more aware of your thoughts without judgment. By observing your thoughts without attachment, you can gradually gain better control over them. 2. Identify triggers. Recognize what triggers these dirty thoughts. Are they influenced by certain situations, people, or environments? Understanding your triggers can help you avoid or manage them better. 3. Positive visualization. Replace negative or dirty thoughts with positive and constructive ones. Visualize a happy and peaceful scenario when unwanted thoughts arise. Over time, this can help redirect your thinking patterns. 4. Practice. Gratitude. Cultivate a habit of gratitude. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and the things you are thankful for. This can shift your mindset away from negativity. 5. Mindful breathing. When you notice dirty thoughts creeping in, take a few deep breaths and focus on your breath. This can help you stay centered and calm, reducing the power of intrusive thoughts. 6. Limit exposure. Reduce exposure to content or stimuli that trigger dirty thoughts. This might include avoiding certain types of media or situations that tend to lead to negative thinking. 7. Engage in physical activity. Regular exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can, in turn, reduce the frequency of intrusive thoughts. 8. Talk to someone. Share your concerns and thoughts with a trusted friend, family member, or therapist. Sometimes just talking about your thoughts can provide relief and a new perspective. 9. Set boundaries. Establish personal boundaries in your relationships and interactions to maintain a healthier and more respectful environment. 10. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Understand that everyone has intrusive or negative thoughts at times. Don't beat yourself up over them. Instead, practice self-compassion and forgiveness. 11. Seek professional help. If your dirty thoughts are causing significant distress or are related to a mental health condition, consider seeking the help of a mental health professional. They can provide guidance and therapeutic techniques to manage and cope with these thoughts effectively. 12. Mindful consumption. Be mindful of what you consume, both mentally and physically. What you watch, read, and listen to can influence your thought patterns. Choose content that aligns with your goals of purifying your mind. Remember that it's normal to have unwanted or negative thoughts from time to time. What matters is how you respond to them. With consistent practice and patience, you can learn to manage and reduce the impact of dirty thoughts on your mind and well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before leaving, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.